Today, we're going to look at how modern factories are getting a serious competitive edge.
So many factories are still stuck dealing with paper records, communication gaps, and old information.
All that chaos in the analog factory, it makes it really tough to compete, let alone improve.
The solution is an MES. It's basically the digital nervous system for the entire factory. It all comes down to tracking a core metric for productivity called OEE, Overall Equipment Effectiveness. OEE rolls availability, performance, and quality into one score. It's a brilliant way to spot problems. Okay, let's see how this works with the CODI MES ecosystem. It's got over 20 specialized modules.
First up, we've got the heart of planning itself, the sequencing module.
The whole idea here is to create a dynamic factory, ditching static plans for agile management.
So planners can just drag and drop jobs. This makes it super easy to react to sudden breakdowns.
Okay, so how does everyone stay in the loop? That's what the dashboard module is for.
And its goal is pretty cool, to make the whole factory transparent so everyone sees what's going on.
It gives you total visibility with real-time OEE and a simple traffic light system for machine status.
But what happens when something goes wrong?
Well, that's where the messaging module shines.
This actually turns the system into an active helper, alerting you to critical problems right away.
You get instant alerts on Telegram for things like machine downtime or a sudden drop in quality.
So let's put it all together. See how these modules solve a real problem in just seconds.
And the impact? It's huge. We're talking a big leap in efficiency, cost savings, and quality.
It helps build a data-driven culture, where your team can actually see and solve problems themselves. Basically, CODI gives you the tools for a smarter, more resilient factory that's ready for anything.
So here's the bottom line. Your factory is talking constantly. The question is, are you listening?